do my Fred impression. Right? Right? 'Cause it's amazing. You ready for this shit? Mm-hmm. Billie Jean. Okay, that's done.
Don't.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Hey, Fred!
Hey, Jimmy.
Hey guys, it's Jimmy!
Hey, guys.
Jimmy! Okay, let's see what happened to my arm, right? Right? That's a burn. Burn. That's, wait, this is nothing. But this is a burn. Okay. It was from this. It was like, ow, fuck.
Is it so hot?
No, it was just really hurt. It was like, shish. It was like, shish on my arm, and I was like, ow.
The hot?
Yeah, ow. Fucking whore. Ow. It hurts. Okay. Random dancing. Dancing.
No!
Party like a rockstar. Party like a
This is how much her dance stinks.
Dance to the toilet flushing. Let's put some good music on this, bitch. Guitar solo and that was Rockstar.
I don't know what you talking about.
Woo!
I'm just me.
Woo! Like that.
Sometimes I walk a little faster in the school hallway just to get next to you. Some days I spend a little extra time in the mall just to impress you. If you don't know a trick, you don't need to say. You don't see your instruments on the outside shine away. On the inside dying to say, how long you gonna I lose? You go way too far to be waiting around. I keep practicing no more charity, yeah, I can fix the flat on your car. How about you and me a rock star? How about you and me a rock star? Sometimes I wish when the sun rings that it would be you saying that time, yeah. When you confess that there's something special between us, why don't we fight? You don't even know me if you don't need me, why you gotta see